Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check Twitter account impression. To find impressions data on your X account and individual posts, you can use the built-in features available on the X desktop web application and mobile application. This can be done for any user account on X. However, if you are a business, you can set up a professional X Twitter account to access more features on the platform. To view X impressions on individual posts, follow these steps. Sign into your X account if you haven't already done. Tap on your profile image in the top left. Click on Profile and select the post. Then, tap on View Tweet Activity. You can also directly view your impressions by clicking on the graph icon below each post. You'll see the impressions data as well as other insights. When it comes to X, knowing how to view and use your impressions can be a game changer to achieving your goals for being in platform. This way, you're able to keep your post relevant and buzzing with engagements. However, X is just the beginning. There are many other insights on various social media platforms that can help you make the most of your time online. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.